Bitcoin surges above 50,000 for the first time today as cryptocurrency continues to gain mainstream acceptance.
So every time I thought it's overvalued, it proves to be the wrong move because it keeps marching higher.
An aggregate $1.5 billion in Bitcoin.
Elon Musk bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin.
What's going on? This is Asset Police badge number 824. With them credit scores, deeds, LLCs, investment portfolios. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Well, today I'm going to touch on something I'm a little bit disappointed on. I didn't do a lot sooner, but sometimes it's better to invest sooner than later. So now, Asset Police badge number 824 is a believer of cryptocurrency. I started investing in crypto last month. I'm a big fan of Bitcoin, Ethereum, just to name a few. The way my portfolio looks within a month has been nothing but unbelievable and great. Crypto is here to stay. Listen to me, y'all. Crypto is here to stay. The room of growth, it still has yet to scratch the surface. And I'm a big numbers guy, so I'm going to break down some numbers for y'all real quick. We all know Google, Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft are all respectable companies that are not going anywhere, are going to be here for the long run. But it took Google 21 years to get valued at $1 trillion. It took Amazon 24 years. It took Apple 42, and it took Microsoft 44 years to get valued at $1 trillion. Now, I just read it took Bitcoin 11 years to get valued at $1 trillion. Come on. Those numbers speak for itself. So that lets me believe that Bitcoin has yet to scratch the surface. Crypto in general is yet to scratch the surface. As you guys can see or have read, Tesla invested $1.5 billion into Bitcoin. Now you can buy cars, a Tesla vehicle, with Bitcoin. Now you're seeing cryptocurrency on the Square app, on PayPal app. And there's more companies that are eventually going to catch on. So I'm telling y'all, I can take my word if y'all want, but cryptocurrency is here to stay. You guys can do whatever y'all want. Y'all could invest or not invest, but I'm schooling y'all real quick. Crypto is here to stay, so the time to invest in it is now.
Bitcoin is crashing again. We can see that it's down 6% in the last 24 hours.
Bitcoin is now down 23% from its recent highs of $58,500.
If you see numbers increasing, that there is inflation coming, then of course it's going to cause mass hysteria or panic to some of the markets.
So the real question is, why did this happen?
Between 2016 and 2018, we have had multiple 30 to 40% pullbacks before seeing triple-digit increases. And this is healthy. This is totally normal. This is what Bitcoin does.
Well, last week I did a video on how well Bitcoin and cryptocurrency has been performing. But this week, I was going to post this video this week, but this week has been nothing but the opposite. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and the stock market overall has been taking a hit. After being up at its highest point, as far as Bitcoin, it is now trading $14,000 less than it being from at its highest at $58,000. But we all know Bitcoin, cryptocurrency is a volatile. It's going to be volatile. So that's part of the game. So stay patient, stay the course. Actually, for savvy investors out there, my savvy investors out there, buy the dip. Even the beginners, buy the dip. Buy things at a discount because cryptocurrency is here to stay. It's not going anywhere.
Once in 1,000 years, do you actually see the invention of a fundamentally new thing? This is our once in 1,000 year opportunity. You get to buy into it early.
You see these big tech companies, you see these hedge funds adding Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to their portfolio. So it's just a matter of time. You know, we're still early in the game. I'm telling you, we are still early in the game. Crypto is here to stay. Invest in crypto and only invest money you're prepared to lose. And remember, you only lose money if you pull out when you're down. And number two, when the company goes bankrupt and doesn't exist no more. So be patient, stay the course, buy the dip. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is here to stay. Be patient. I actually just put more money into Bitcoin. That's the way to do it. Asset Police, badge number 824, signing out. Peace.